Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use quiet mode on Facebook.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Facebook has introduced a new digital well-being feature called quiet mode. Watch this full video to learn how to enable quiet mode on Facebook and how the feature works. To begin, open the Facebook application. Then tap the menu icon at the bottom. Scroll down. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now select your time on Facebook. Here you will find Manage Your Time. Tap on it. When quiet mode is on, your timeline will be hidden by the quiet mode screen, along with a countdown timer that shows how much time is left until quiet mode ends. Tap the switch labeled quiet mode to enable this feature. You can now set how long you would like quiet mode to be on. After selecting, tap on Apply. Your quiet mode is enabled, and below you will find until when it will be enabled. You can even set up automatic quiet mode timers if you like. For this, toggle on the button Scheduled Quiet Mode. Tap on Add Schedule. Then set the start and end time. And also, select the days. From now on, quiet mode will automatically be enabled on the scheduled time. You can add multiple schedule if you want. There is another option called Daily Time Reminder. If you enable this, you will receive a reminder after you have used Facebook, for the amount of time you choose. When quiet mode is enabled, you can disable it anytime before your timer ends. So in this way, you can use quiet mode on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.